This is just one more way that you can make homemade biscuits. I thought I'd share this quick, easy, and simple recipe on how to make homemade biscuits. Now let's pull one apart and see if it's a little flakier. Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today we're making homemade biscuits. I'm going to show y'all how simple and easy this recipe is to cook you up a batch of homemade biscuits. It don't have to be as hard as people think. Biscuits are easy. So come on and let's get started. We need 2 cups of flour. If you have self-rising flour, all you use is flour and heavy cream. This flour is all-purpose flour right here. So I will have to add my baking powder and some salt to mine. About a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and now we're going to use our same measuring cup, and we've got to measure out 1½ cups of heavy cream. That's right at what I have, 1½ cups of the heavy cream. And now I'm going to use my little measuring spoon to give it a mix. And this will form your dough for your biscuits. And then I'm going to show you the way I work my dough once I get it all mixed together. Go ahead now and start preheating your oven to 400. We're just going to put a little flour on our counter to have a good work area. And now I'm going to turn my dough out on my counter. And you've got to get it all blended together now. Don't leave none of that in there. That's the good stuff. All right, you're just going to start by adding your dough and getting it to start forming your ball. Once you get it formed, you can move this over to the side because you don't want that in your biscuits. And then we're going to just put some fresh flour right there. We'll move this. Then work that back in. going to fold it one more time, flip it, and roll it out again. And that right there will help give you like a flaky biscuit. I'm going to use just a regular cup to cut them out with. You can use pretty much anything that's circle to cut your biscuits with. But look how pretty that cup does. And if you look real close, you can see the layers where we folded it. This recipe right here will give you 6 medium-sized biscuits. Or if you was to cut them smaller than my cup, you would probably get 8. This biscuit recipe right here, you can even freeze and cut your biscuits out and put them in a gallon Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. Now this one right here, I'll probably just roll it out with my hand and form a biscuit. Let's see, I might can get it big enough to cut. And now we're going to put them in the oven and we're going to bake them for around 15 minutes. Oh, y'all, look how pretty those turned out. These two right here are the two that I rolled out last. They're not quite as pretty as the other ones, but they look good. They're hot. We're not done yet. I put them on this plate so y'all could see them better. That pan's hard to see down in. But now we're going to put some butter on them. You just can't have a biscuit without butter drizzled over the top of them. This is just one more way that you can make homemade biscuits. I thought I'd share this quick, easy, and simple recipe on how to make homemade biscuits. Now let's pull one apart and see if it's a little flakier. When you pull them apart, you can see where the layers are. And it's more of a layer type biscuit that you can use to make ham biscuits, a breakfast biscuit for eggs, or whatever you choose to use it with. It comes apart easy and it just tears real simple. Now these two right here are not the prettiest biscuit, but they'll be still some good eating. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy this video on a quick recipe on how to make homemade biscuits using heavy cream. This is ham that we had left over from Easter. So I'm making Travis some homemade ham biscuits. We're using up our leftover ham we had from Easter, and we're making homemade country ham biscuits.